Today in this video, I am going to demonstrate the practical representation between understanding how to understand the union and the union on. So this is my Oracle DB, so SQL developer. So first of all, what I have to do, I have to just create a table there. So I will create a table with name that is tutor, with column name is that is name and location is a and its name data type is varchar and it is a size of 20. Location data type is varchar and its size is 30. So I execute this first query. So once I execute this first query, I get a message table Twitter created. Again, see in a similar manner, I will execute the query as just like a tutor. So this is the create table linking. Name is that varchar 20, location varchar 30. Name is the column name and varchar 20 is the data type and 20 is the size. And location and varchar, location is the column name, varchar is the data type and having a size 30. So I will execute this second query also. So again the table linking is created. Because this is table, as we check that in this table nothing is there. So we have to insert a value by using this syntax insert all into Twitter name location values Rahul India into Twitter name location values Rakesh India into Twitter values Lisa US. So I have inserted three records and select from done. So once I execute this query, uh, the three rows are inserted. The message has been came. So I will check it also in the query whether it is inserted or not. So see, Rahul India is the first line. Second line is Rakesh India. Rakesh India, Lisa US is okay. In a similarly manner, I have already created the table linking. So I will also insert three records. So I will execute this query again. So I have inserted the record that is Rakesh India, Sohan India, and Lija US. So in order to check this query, so whether the three records have been inserted, I will just write select star from linking. Okay. So once I execute this query, so the three records have been inserted: Rakesh India, Sohan India, and Lisa India, which I have actually given as an input value here. Rakesh India, Sohan India, Lija US in the query. Okay. Now we will check in the union all. So union all actually will contain the duplicate values in the same manner. See the output before executing this query, I will just tell the output is just like when I write the select star from Twitter union on select star from you. So output is like Rahul India, Rakesh India, Lija India, Rakesh India, Sohan India, Lisa US. So like this, the query should come. So first, so when I execute this query, so let's check the output. So Rahul India, Rakesh India, Lias US, Rakesh India, Sohan India, and US India. But when I execute this query union on, so this will come, okay, but line number 6 will not come. Okay, so just check similar manner. So when I just execute this query, so see Rakesh India, Rajesh India, that is Sohan India already have came because in this query the only four records are because Rakesh India and Rakesh India. Okay, these are the similar. Okay, so union is always removing the duplicate records. So it has considered only one times. After that, see the Lija US is also common, so he has considered one type. So have not taken this second query. First line insert record, second line insert. Second line insert it has been considered, but the third line insert has because it is already taken in the first query. So this is the thing. So I will also tell you something about because this is two date function in order to know that understand the concept of the union and the union of. So this is a two. So when I similar this is C select to date sysdate dd month varchar from dual, union selected sysdate from dual. Okay, I have written two times that first query and using because there has no been table created, so I have written here dual. Okay, so once I execute this query only one time, the record is that is today's date is 27 March 3, 2024. But when I execute this query, two times the same record will be called because it will extract the similar row, similar result from the first query and the similar result from the second query. To see the two times the record has been kept. So in this you have understood the difference between union and union or because union always remove the duplicate records. It keep only the unique report only once times. If the suppose if three records are duplicate, so it will consider only one time what three duplicate records. Let's now other thing is that some other example I want to describe you in order to explain the difference between the union and all and the join, how the table structure looks like. So create table department and the name. I have created a table with the department table with the name column name that is name and it's having a data type varchar and its size is 10. Okay, and just like a similar way in the, I will execute this query as above. So table department created, pop-up message has been 9. So again, I will just execute that create table department name varchar 10. Okay, so I will execute this query. So it is it's telling that the same name is already used by Excel because I have not here. I have want to create one other query that is employee. Okay, so I can't create same query with same data types again. This is again the rule. That's why the pop-up message has been came. So create table employee. I will write. Okay. Once I execute this query, I will get a message that table has been created. See, table employee has been created. Now I have to execute, insert the record that is Rahul, Rakesh, monkey, tiger in this into the employee table. I will execute this query. Then message has been displayed. Four rows inserted. I have to check whether verify for me whether it four rows has been inserted or not. So I will check that four rows have already inserted. In a similar manner, I will execute that query into the department to insert the four record that is Rahul, Rakesh, monkey, tiger as a name column name under the name column. So again the four record. So I will check whether it has been inserted or not. See, four have inserted. So union all will display only the union or will display union will only display the unique records. So here Rahul, Rakesh, monkey, tiger. So only four records will be displayed out of eight records. But the union all, it will display all the eight records. As a sequence from the first table, it will display all the records. Second table, it will all display all records in the union all. So let's execute this query and understand this query. So select, so only four records has been created from the first table only because the second table are having same similar rows and rows records. So similar name have having, so they have the query output has been not considered the second table. So in the union wall, it will consider all the things. See, the eight records will be displayed. Rahul Rakesh Monkey Tiger, Rahul Rakesh Monkey Tiger. So again, I will execute this query using the join. So this is a join select star from employee join department. So I am joining the two table that is employee and the department on the basis of the column name which is common having the same data type that is employee dot is name department dot name. So once I write this query, execute this query, see the two record have been came because it has been joined. So this join has been in the what it is in the horizontal row. See, horizontal row is coming the table is, but the union row all is what is coming. Union all or union is coming in the vertical row. So earlier PPT which I have read you, which I explained you about the join and the union all and union all. So union on union on, all the output will display in the vertical manner, but in the join, the output will display in the horizontal manner. So it is proved by this. So again in the coming section, I will display more examples about the union on the different interview scenarios questions. So if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for the new updates, because I am posting new videos and making you aware about the Oracle technologies, and it's definitely going to help in the cracking the interview.